People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good. Misunderstood, this firewood keeps me sane. Like the teeth around my neck on my gold chain. Misunderstood, I'm no victim, no Robin Hood. Hang them teeth around my neck on my gold chain. My ghosts and my dreams gonna rescue me. Like the teeth around my neck on my gold chain.
Good morning, good afternoon. It's currently 1:30 and today's Heritage Day. I'm currently getting ready to go to a family Heritage Day luncheon. I think these days when I say family, I'm mostly referring to my husband's side of the family. I will probably be specific if it's like my family. So that's what's happening. I am almost done. I'm just really struggling with my brows today. Yeah, I hope you guys are well. If you are, comment down below actually and tell me like how you are. I like never ask you how you are, and I think when I do ask, you guys don't comment, so it's a bit awkward. This morning when I woke up, I made myself a fruit salad, and then I actually wanted to water a few pot plants that I'm growing flowers on, which I did, and before you know it, I was gardening for what felt like 2 hours. I was like planting seeds, I was weeding, I was watering everywhere, I was just doing a lot. And then after that I took a bath because I just felt like I needed a break. It was hot and I didn't want to exhaust myself considering that we have this family thing. So I went to run a few errands, personal errands. I was actually going to shop for a dress or something to wear for today. I didn't realize that it's actually like Heritage Day and I need to wear like my shibelani and stuff, but all of that shibelani and my outfits are at home in Zanin. I think the next time I visit I need to come back with a few traditional things, and also in Fanindrungisa Roko, just so I can have like just a traditional dress and stuff maybe for next time. But for today I'm okay with the dress that I'm wearing. I went to the mall, I went to Woolworths, and I saw this dress and I really liked it. I'll show you guys a picture after I'm done getting ready. And then I also bought like white shoes to go with it, and then I went to H&M to get like an accessory. I wanted to also get like a white or maybe green headband, but I didn't find it, so I'll just use what I have. For some reason today I'm struggling with my brows. I feel like I'm taking too long. I am currently getting ready for a lunch date with Lumka. I haven't seen her for a very long time. I think the last time I saw her was before the pandemic. We used to have a common love for hair. I'm sure she still does. I've just, pivoted away from that. And I saw in her Instagram stories that she posted a few weeks back that she's around the area that I'm in, and I was so excited, so I DM'd her, got a number, and then we set a date. And I'm happy to say the date is making it out of the group chat. Okay. I'm so excited. I'll take you guys with me. I was just partially getting ready, nothing too hectic. Today's a hot day. I don't feel like putting anything on my face, maybe just a lip thing, and then that's it. I'm gonna be wearing my favorite pink dress that I got from H&M and some new sandals that I got from Woolworths. It's gonna be a chill day.
Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied.
This is a video. Hello, I'm Lumka. You probably haven't seen me on her channel in a while. So yeah, welcome to you guys. You're only catching up with me. I'm joking. Oh my god, I'm kidding.
Fumble the best you ever had. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart.
What did you order? I ordered prawns and calamari and baked potatoes.
You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. The facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone